The Husqvarna Automower is not just a lawnmower. It is a robotic concept that will give you the perfect lawn whilst giving you more free time. To make it understandable how it works, we installed Husqvarna Automower in a large garden. We will explain how Automower works. Basically, Husqvarna Automower consists of three parts: the mower, the charging station, and the boundary wire. Husqvarna Automower works inside an electronic fence created by a loop signal sent from the charging station through the boundary wire. When Automower comes close to the wire, it detects the signal, stops, and continues in another direction. Husqvarna Automower works fully automatically. When batteries run low, it has several ways that it will ensure it always returns to the charging station. It can follow a radio signal sent from the charging station. It can follow a guide wire. And it can also follow the boundary wire back to the charging station. When the battery is fully charged, it returns to work without your intervention.